Good morning, everyone. Good day, madam. Today is the 18th of October of this year 2025, and in this short video, I will be making my creative artwork for the Matai project, as I stated in the Matai proposal. That I will be making the Tangmodia flower, commonly known as the Tangmodia, back at my home island, back in Thailand. And I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I'm going to introduce the things that I will be used for this Matai project. Firstly, this is the guava branch extracted from the guava tree. As I stated in my proposal, that I'll be using guava branches for this project. And over here, this some kumquat leaves, orange leaves that I will be used that will be used for this project here in Tagmolia. And over here is just a small creative artwork. I made it with cloth, using cloth, and it was supposed to be my mother's earrings, and then after this project, then I'll give it back to Naka. Okay, thank you. Let's go branch. I'll attach some more leaves to make it creative and more meaningful for this project. Yeah. And another one. Yeah, the front of it. Shit. Poco. Now back on it. Now the leaves, some more leaves are attached to the guava branches, and now I will attach this small creative artwork of mine, Tangmodia flower, onto this guava branch. Now we're back with the finished product of my creative assignment, Matai assignment. This is the finished product of it. Hope you enjoy. Nak.